Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video lecture, I'm going to talk about best AI tools for developers, students, professionals, and many more. And all these tools are actually free tools. Again, you can go for the paid version as well. And we've been talking about ChatGPT for so long, and ChatGPT is powerful, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. There are many other AI tools that can help you create presentations in minutes, summarize PDFs, take smart notes, and even improve your speaking skills. And in this video, I'm going to share a few amazing AI tools that will make your life easier, whether you're a developer, student, or just someone who loves productivity hacks. So without further ado, let's start with the first tool, which is SlidesGo. And I already created a video on the use of SlidesGo. If you're someone who hates making presentations from scratch, this tool will save your life. You will find free templates for Google Slides in this tool. And there are professionally designed themes for business, education, and more. You just have to pick a template, add your content, and you're done in minutes. And I've actually created a free demo on the use of SlidesGo. I will share the link in the description as well. You can go to that specific video and check how to use SlidesGo. It is perfect for students making project reports or developers, pitching an idea. Overall, it's a perfect tool for presentations. Another tool that I wanted to talk about is AskYourPDF, askyourpdf.com. Imagine you have a 100-page PDF and you don't want to read it all. You can upload it here and then ask questions like you're chatting with the document. It is perfect for research papers, manuals, or even any other study material. It saves you hours of reading time. It works on scanned PDFs also. Sometimes you must have seen that sometimes, if you upload scanned PDFs on ChatGPT, it is not able to read it. But you can upload those documents here. And again, just to use the free version, you have to always make sure that you have signed in. You can always, start for free. And I've already uh, signed in. Once you sign in, you will see this interface and you can just, upload a PDF just to, help you understand. I downloaded a few documents. So let me upload this lesson on basics of computers. Once the lesson is uploaded, you can start asking questions. Lesson is uploaded. You need to, I hope you're able to see. Let me zoom. Let me just increase, right? You need to click here, start conversation, and then you can start asking questions, right? First, it gives you the summary. Here are 5 possible questions you might consider asking about the document. But if you want to ask any other document, so I want to know what is this document about overall. What is the main theme of this document, maybe? And then it's going to, read the document and give you all the answers. You can use it for research papers. When you upload a research paper, you can ask, have they given any findings about this particular subject? Have they given any findings about this? I'm working on this particular subject. How can I use this PDF and its summary to improve my uh, current results and all of that, right? So, see, this is it. It's providing the result, right? Really wonderful tool. And it is also giving you the references. It's an amazing tool. Ask Your PDF. And then another tool that I wanted to talk about is NoteGPT.io. If you are someone who does not like to watch the videos, whole video, like if let's say you want to listen to a video on a lecture, but you don't want to listen to it all, you can go to this particular tool. And this tool is perfect to summarize YouTube videos. If you don't have time to sit through long YouTube videos, just paste in a YouTube link and it will instantly generate a clean summary for you. And again, you always have to click on try it for free, or maybe, just summarize it. And then you can just paste your link here. I'm going to give you a demo using YouTube video, but you can also use it for um, to upload, PDFs. You can use it to, um, paste long texts here, or for audio files also you can use it. And it will just break it down into easy to digest notes. It even creates, flashcards and mind maps, which makes it, super useful for studying or research. Now, let me give you an example. Let's say I want to listen to a TED talk on how to use Chat GPT efficiently, right?
Stuck in generic templates?
Let the ad run. And obviously, I don't have time to listen to this entire video. It is 30 minutes long. So I'm just going to copy the link, copy the URL, and I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to click on summarize now. Now, instead of spending hours or watching or reading, you can get the key takeaways in minutes. It's a huge, huge time saver, right? Summary of the video. It starts giving you summary of the video. It is giving you key insights as well from that specific section, right? Just love it. And then there is another tool. It's called Yoodli. If you want to practice speaking for interviews, presentations, or even English efficiency, because I'm an English speaking coach as well, I recommend this tool to my students. And you can speak, and this tool will give you feedback on clarity, filler words, and confidence. It is great for students, professionals, and anyone working on communication skills, right? It gives you instant feedback on where you need to improve. And I'm not going to use it because it requires some details, and uh, I'm not going to sign in now because I've already signed into so many tools. And so try this one, Udemy. Again, you just need to sign in or use the free version and get started. These are very easy instructions to follow. And another tool is GitHub Copilot. This is for developers. It's like ChatGPT inside your code editor. It will suggest you code as you type. It helps you debug. It helps you write, functions faster. It works with multiple languages like Python, JavaScript, and many other languages. If you are someone who needs to deal with writing codes regularly, it's a game changer. Other than that, there are a few more tools that I can recommend. I haven't used them personally, but um, these tools I think are worth mentioning. One is Perplexity AI. It is like Google, but with AI powered answers and references. It is great for research. For example, uh, tell me something about the future of AI, right? It's like Google only, but the answers are AI powered. And then there is another tool called Google Board. This is also another um, Google Gemini, right? Google Board. This is another tool that can be used as AI ChatGPT. This is also an alternative to ChatGPT from Google. Okay. Now, here's how you can actually use all of these tools together. See, you can use a Note GPT during a class or meeting to take notes because it will summarize it. If you want to get a reference or get some good points from a talk or a video, but you don't have time to listen to the entire video, you can just paste the link here and take notes, right? Then, if you're working on some research papers or if you have some long PDFs that you don't have time to read, you can just paste them here and you can summarize the material of that PDF, right? And then you can use SlidesGo to create a quick presentation on that topic, right? And so I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to tell you here. So let's say you want to create a presentation of the future of AI. First, you click on first you go to Note GPT and paste a link to a video where they are talking about the future of AI, and you can, uh, use as many videos as you want. Then you can also read a few research papers by using AskYourPDF. Once you get the material, you can use SlidesGo, as I told you, in combination. You can use SlidesGo by combining it with ChatGPT and you can create a presentation. And then you can practice that presentation using Yoodli, right? It's a full workflow powered by artificial intelligence, right? Now, I also want to mention because if you are someone who doesn't know, ChatGPT also has these features, right? I mean, these features are not that advanced, I would say, because I haven't used the paid version. Maybe they are advanced in paid version, but you can read PDF in ChatGPT also. But again, it has some limitations. For example, the scanned PDFs, right? The results are not so good, right? This plus sign in the search section here, this plus sign next to the text window on ChatGPT, it has many options, right? It is also a visual problem solver, right? This upload feature of ChatGPT, this is a super handy feature if you're working on assignments, projects, or just stuck with a problem. You can upload a photo of a question from your textbook or handwritten notes. ChatGPT will break it down step by step for you. For presentations or research, you can drop in an image, you can drop in a diagram or even a chart, and then you can ask ChatGPT to help you with that, help you explain it, analyze it, or rewrite it for your project. It's also great for coding. You can snap a screenshot of your error message, upload it here, and ChatGPT will guide you through the fix, right? Just whenever you are encountering a problem, just take a picture, upload it here, and it's going to tell you, right? Once you upload it, you can also type the message, can you please help me understand it? Or what is the problem here? All of that. Instead of wasting time figuring things out alone, you can just upload the image and get instant clarity, right? Now, I also wanted to show you the GPT section of ChatGPT where you can create your own ChatGPTs, right? There are different, uh, this one actually, if you look at the sidebar, you'll see an option called GPTs. This one, you click on it, GPTs, right? And if you see, this is where the real magic happens. You can browse a library of different custom chat GPTs made for specific tasks. You can also create your own chat GPT. You can, go to, for example, AI PDF Drive. This is specifically for PDFs. Astrology Birth Chart GPT, Scholar GPT, Humanize AI. If you want to humanize artificial intelligence content, you can switch between them instantly depending on what you need. And if you want something more personal, you can actually create your own GPT. No coding required. Just describe what you want it to do, and it builds a tailored version for you. These GPTs are also created by someone. And maybe in the upcoming one of the upcoming videos, I'll show you how you can create your own GPT. But for example, if let's say you want to specifically go for a GPT on fitness, just click here, start chat, and you can start asking about fitness, diet, workouts, and all of that. So instead of relying on one single AI, you can build your own little team of assistants, each designed to make your life easier. So, these were the best AI tools beyond ChatGPT that you should start using today. Let me know which one is your favorite: SlidesGo, Ask Your PDF, NoteGPT, or Yoodli. And in the next video, I'll show you how to create your own GPT. And we'll also talk about something super practical, which is how to use ChatGPT for assignments, projects, and everyday tasks smartly by creating your own GPT. And this is where most students and professionals struggle, and I'll make it easy for you. So if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and like this video. If you found it beneficial, share it with someone who can benefit from it. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, take care.